Advanced NLP Topics. In this chapter, we will take a deep dive into the cutting-edge techniques, concepts, and technologies that are driving the next wave of innovation in natural language processing. These advanced topics go beyond traditional methods to solve complex, real-world problems using the power of AI. Transformers, the game changer. One of the most revolutionary advancements in NLP is the introduction of transformer architectures. Unlike previous sequence models like RNNs and LSTMs, transformers process text in parallel, enabling faster training and better performance. Pre-trained language models and transfer learning. Another significant advancement in NLP is pre-trained language models and transfer learning. Models like GPT-4 and BERT are first pre-trained on massive amounts of text data, learning grammar, semantics, and context. They are then fine-tuned on specific tasks using smaller, domain-specific datasets. Attention mechanisms and self-attention. Central to transformer models is the concept of attention mechanisms, particularly self-attention. Attention allows the model to weigh the importance of different words in a sentence when making predictions. For example, in machine translation, attention enables the model to focus on the relevant parts of the input sentence while generating each word in the output. Multilingual NLP and cross-lingual models. Advanced NLP now extends beyond a single language. Multilingual models like MBRT and XLMR are capable of understanding and processing multiple languages. These models enable cross-lingual tasks such as machine translation, sentiment analysis, and multilingual question answering. The ability to process diverse languages empowers NLP to break barriers, bringing technology to underrepresented linguistic. Few-shot and zero-shot learning. Traditionally, NLP models required large labeled datasets. However, advancements in few-shot and zero-shot learning are changing the landscape. These techniques allow models to perform tasks with minimal or no task-specific data. For example, GPT-4 can generate summaries or answer questions on topics it has never explicitly been trained on. This capability makes NLP systems more flexible and adaptable. NLP for conversational AI. Building human-like conversations is a major focus of advanced NLP. Conversational AI powers chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer service tools. Modern models like DialoGPT, Mina, and Google's Lambda excel at generating coherent, context-aware responses, making interactions more natural and engaging. These systems use techniques like context tracking and dialogue state management to maintain conversations over multiple turns.